Hello.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome and welcome back to your channel Foods, a channel of easy recipe, amazing videos. If at all you are new in this channel, thank you for choosing Foods. Feel welcome, view my videos, give them a like if you love them, comment, share to other social networks, and also subscribe. Remember also to turn on that switch bell button so that whenever posting a new video, you'll be among the first people to see my videos. And for the returning subscribers, I salute you so much. Thank you for your support. I don't take it for granted. So guys, in our today's recipe, I'm still back on chicken. Guys, I've realized that just for the sake of for my love of chicken, I've been doing so many chicken recipes in this channel. In fact, for the past few videos, I've done different parts of chicken. I've done chicken drumstick, I've done chicken thighs, I've done fried whole chicken, and there's also a native chicken that I did with showing how to serve different parts of chicken. And guys, guess what? Today I'm still on chicken. This time I'm going to do the chicken breast. And it's not just this chicken breast. I'm going to do honey glazed chicken breast. So juicy, so nice. Guys, kindly watch this video until the end and make sure you try it out. These are the chicken breasts that I'm going to make. I have some pieces here. So guys, just keep tuned and see. I have some all-purpose flour, I have vegetable oil, I have dark soy sauce, I have you can use lemon or vinegar, I have red onions, I have black pepper, and I have some honey here. So guys, I'm going to use this as well. That is garlic and some coriander stem. Start by making slits for this. The reason why I'm making slits so that at least when I'm marinating this chicken, everything will get in here. I'll put it aside. I'll continue with the next one. These are my breasts now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to salt it. Make sure salt get in well, the spaces. Next, black pepper. Make sure you rub the black pepper to ensure that every part of it is mixed here. Then turn the other side. Salt as well. So give it time about 5 minutes, guys, with some garlic. Some garlic. Then rub to give it another 5 minutes again once more. Placing my pan to heat. Then I will add some vegetable oil. The oil cook. Keep tuned, guys. Oil is ready. I'll get back to this. I'll place so guys, you can use some cornstarch or all-purpose flour. You let them brown. They'll cook until they brown. So guys, you let them cook until they brown. So guys, once they are done, I'll place them aside. I will let my onions cook. Then here I am with my garlic. I will add my garlic in there. And mix up everything together. Then vinegar, white vinegar. I'll just add a little bit. If you don't have vinegar, you can use lemon. Then dark soy. Honey. Give it a good mix. So you guys, you can see how juicy it is. Guys, it has a nice aroma. Then my chicken, can see how juicy. So you can add some sprinkle, some coriander stems, or if not coriander stems, you can add some coriander itself. But I love the aroma of the coriander. This chicken, this chicken is so old. More juicy, you can just take sprinkle some of this sauce on top of it. So guys, please view this video, give my video a thumbs up. Though the meal is not ready yet, I'm salivating, guys. So yummy. I wanna serve it with some rice. Keep tuned, guys. My chicken is ready, and now I'm just going to serve it. Just look at my chicken breast. So I'm just going to have a taste. Mmm. Mmm. So juicy, guys. My love with chicken. Mhm. Please view my videos, like, share, and try it out. Enjoy this delicacy from Rebby Kid Food. So nice, so tasty. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet on another video. Bye bye.